Apparently, whales are really bonkers. In fact, this is the day that will change everything. The 39 trillion attack has only just begun, but the largest whales are already worried. But first things first, what the fuck is going on? Alright, allow me to elaborate. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. Inquisitive minds seeking answers regarding Shiba will find what they're looking for here. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and how to predict its future. Make sure you hit the like button to get more Shib news. Earlier this week, the whole cryptocurrency market experienced a substantial price correction. An impressive 19-day inflow streak for the Bitcoin ETF came to an end with this important development. Quite a few people were naturally let down by this, following the sharp drop in value. Many investors were wary of the market and lost faith in it. However, I am pleased to share some good news with you today. Bitcoin ETFs have seen inflows of almost $100 million since they resumed. After a dip following the price correction, confidence and excitement in the cryptocurrency market appear to be on the mend according to this recovery. The mood among investors is starting to brighten up again. Take a look at this interesting stuff. Using the panic selling as an opportunity, Bitcoin whales jumped 20,600 Bitcoin, accumulating a value of roughly $1.38 billion in just one day. During this buying frenzy, they made their largest single-day purchase since late February, suggesting a deliberate reaction to the market's ups and downs. Time is a fascinating factor. Shiba INU's value soared in late February, tripling in the span of a few days. Are we witnessing a repetition of past events? Is this the beginning of a similar wave? Alright, I'll do my research. Recent data from CryptoQuant shows that since Bitcoin spot ETH's inception, whales have amassed the largest quantity of Bitcoin. This suggests that major investors are still very bullish on Bitcoin's long-term prospects, even though the market is now very volatile. At the same time, Bitcoin's profile on cryptocurrency exchanges is fading. It has dropped to its lowest point since December 2021, which is typically a sign that investors are feeling positive. If Bitcoin is not trading on exchanges, it usually means that investors are holding onto their assets in the hopes that their value will increase. The fact that a reduction in the amount of Bitcoins available on exchanges reduces the immediate supply for customers lends credence to this optimistic stance. If supply remains unchanged or increases, prices could rise due to demand imbalances as buyers compete for a restricted supply. This is a simple illustration of how the interplay between supply and demand influences market prices. Also, whales have been buying a lot of Ethereum, with over 240,000 other ETH purchased for a total of around $840 million. The high level of interest and belief in Ethereum's potential future value is reminiscent of Bitcoin's success. Ethereum, in contrast to Bitcoin, has seen a growth in its exchange reserves. Now, moving on to Shiba INU, this breed is truly making waves at the moment thanks to an astounding 170% increase in large transaction volumes, verifiable proof of whale behavior. Significant investors are aggressively shifting their capital from known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging tokens like Shiba INU, according to the trend in different cryptocurrencies. It highlights how major players in the Bitcoin market pay varied amounts of attention to and act strategically on various assets. An analytics firm found this in the block. Note that only transfers with a total value of above $100,000 are deemed significant transactions. This metric, known as large transactions volume, determines the total value communicated in these types of transactions inside the Bitcoin market. When there is a surge in buying and selling of cryptocurrencies by institutional investors, this volume typically reaches its high. Recent data from Into the Block shows that the amount of large Shiba INU transactions has surged by a whopping 170%. In the past 24 hours, nearly 21 trillion Shiba INU tokens, or $467 million, are involved in this surge in transaction value. The significant changes in important transactions show how many institutional players there are in the Shiba INU ecosystem. The most interesting portion begins now. Recent whale transactions involving Shiba INU have increased by 170%, suggesting that large players are ardently guarding a price range of 39 trillion tokens. More than 40,000 addresses within this price range are said to be holding about 39 trillion Shiba INU coins, according to Into the Block. That the market's largest holders, known as whales, are making extra efforts to maintain the current value of Shiba INU is a strong indicator of this. Seeking internal stability is just the beginning. This method of defense is proactive. Holding the support level will allow the Shiba INU price to climb. The $39 trillion Shiba Inu mark has the potential to attract more buyers if it stays steady, which they may interpret as a sign of an upcoming price increase. Because a promising future for Shiba Inus might be in store if this defensive strategy works, the matter is of paramount importance. A Bitcoin expert has boldly asserted that you only have one more chance to buy Shiba Inus before their price could skyrocket by 501%. The cryptocurrency community is known to get rather excited and engaged in heated debates in response to such bold price predictions. Traders, investors, and fans are just as captivated by experts' predictions of massive price increases as anyone else. Everyone starts arguing about how realistic these predictions are, what factors would drive this kind of growth, and how quickly they should act to seize the opportunity. Where did he first acquire the 501% number, though? We should look into it right now. Is the last opportunity for the cryptocurrency community to buy at a reasonable price before what might be a major increase in value? By stressing that those who are currently disregarding Shiba Inus will come to regret their decision, Mags hinted at an imminent upward trend on the horizon. The analyst's opinion conveys a bullish outlook, suggesting confidence in the Shiba Inu price trajectory going forward. The following figure highlights Mags's pinpoint prediction of the first quarter's significant increase in Shiba Inu adoptions. According to him, he purchased Shiba Inu right before it peaked, and by March it had rebounded to levels not witnessed in 3 years. Mags is of the opinion that the stalled positive trend is poised to resume after more than 2 months of consolidation. By September, he reckons Shiba Inus might hit a new record high of over 3014. To achieve this daring objective, current levels must be significantly increased by 501%. Many other specialists in the crypto world share Mags's optimistic outlook. Da Vinci, a seasoned Bitcoin advocate, Shiba Inu is poised for another daring surge, according to Jeremy, who recently made a same claim, albeit with a much lower price prediction. The two specialists have distinct goals, but they both agree that Shiba Inu will likely see increased movement in the near future. Recent comments made by crypto educator Rafael Arrigo only serve to bolster the optimistic view of Shiba Inu. She took advantage of the price drop to stock up on Shiba Inus, she added, hoping for an eventual upturn in the breed. We must not lose sight of the continuing defense of the $39 trillion Shiba Inu level, even when experts are expressing hope. As a defense mechanism, support levels cost $39 trillion because it helps stabilize prices and prevents them from falling any further. Shiba Inu is a crucial factor. The market may experience increased selling pressure in the absence of such support, which might delay or halt any price increase. But what do you think about that? Post a remark down below. I eagerly await your feedback. Today has come to a close. Make sure to give it a strong recommendation. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.